The river rushes through the valley like a silver serpent, whispering the secrets of the mountains. Its fast-flowing waters carry the breath of ancient times and the laughter of new ones. 2 children and 4 old men gather around a small fire, their faces glowing with warmth and memory. The rain hums on the rocks outside, but inside the cave, the night feels alive. Boys dive into the river with Uncle Enkidu, splashing, swimming, and chasing fish with wild joy. The river becomes their playground, their teacher, and their friend. The current quickens again, fierce and beautiful, as if guarding something unseen. Then Charmer appears from the shadows, holding 2 clay vessels, old, cracked, and heavy with forgotten wine from a hidden treasure. Laughter rises, flames dance, the smell of roasted fish fills the cave. The friends sit close, their stories mixing with the rhythm of rain. Outside, the storm rages, but inside, there is only warmth, wonder, and friendship. Fade out with sound of rain and river blending together.